guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Mississippi Girl Life Preparedness. Yes, your girl has went full preparedness life over here on this channel. Okay, so what you're about to get is a tour of what my Preppers Pantry is looking like now. Before you say anything, okay, before you say it, a lot of people for years has come in my comment section. I mentioned this the other day, and they say, oh, stop showing your preps. Well, let me tell you something. The first time you get on social media or go anywhere and you tell people to prepare, you tell people to prep, whether you show it or not, people already know you got food and supplies. You should, because before you tell somebody to prepare and prepare and get supplies and stuff, you should have it. Now, there may be some people that's fake preppers and they don't have the supplies. That would be mainly the only reason why I could see them not showing you. But at the same time, the minute that they say they are preppers, or they are preparing, or they tell you to prepare, you already done gave it up, okay? You may or may not have supplies, but either way it go, if somebody want to come check, they gonna come and check. So I want to help people out. We can do this together. We gonna need it. Y'all, we gonna need it. The news and what's going on every day is letting us know we gonna need it. So I'm gonna show y'all today, February 18th, 2025. Okay, what I have, and we're gonna, accumulate, get more and more. All right, let me just go ahead and say this, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into it. You're gonna see me in the same clothes in the next couple videos because I am batch recording. Okay, I have to, because I'm recording for 2 different channels. Amazing Grace Garden is gonna get y'all, where you need to be for growing your own food. Over here, Preparedness. Okay, Preparedness is where this channel is fully going to. Okay, being prepared, survival, what's going on. Okay, so let's go ahead, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so it is in my son's room. Okay, you got to put stuff where you can put stuff. My daughters, they shared their room, so my son was in a big room by himself, so I put shelves in here to put our food stock up in. Okay, so let's start right here. We got in here and we reorganized everything. Okay, some stuff we have been using because I kind of want it out of my stockpile, because I am figuring out what is good for our bodies, what we can take when it comes to us having GERD, things that's high in iron, high in protein, to our needs. So we have literally been going through stuff, eating it up, because you don't want to waste it. But I have a different mindset due to the cost of everything, far as how I'm gonna be stocking up in what we need. So let's start right here. Right here I have our vinegars. Okay, some of our vinegars. So right now I have 3 things of the apple cider bottle vinegar, and then I have these white wine vinegar and red wine vinegar. Okay, right here is some salad dressings, some balsamic, some Bragg's apple cider dressing, and these can be used for marinades too. So and I also put the date. Some of these is newer stuff that I hadn't got around to put the date on there. So but for the stuff that I've been had, I put the date on it so it's easier for me to see. Like you see right here, I put the date on them. Right here is just some barbecue sauces. I did put this ham glaze right there, and a couple more little barbecue sauces. Right here is some mustard, so you can use that for flavoring, marinating stuff in and all that. I got some of my vanilla extract. Now let me say this, as I bring more stuff in, and y'all will be seeing that, I will put that stuff to the back. Okay, it's a whole lot that I'm gonna be showing y'all in the next upcoming videos when it comes to different things, so you got to stay tuned. Okay, I will be posting videos. Y'all will get, I'm not sure when y'all will get this video, but I know after y'all get this video, then the next day expect videos 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. okay, I'm gonna try to get this video out tomorrow. I'm not sure, but today the 18th, so I'm not sure, but definitely getting on track for it. Okay, so I will be, when I get more vanilla extract, I will be pulling these to the front and will be putting the new ones in the back. Okay, so right here is just some seasoning sauce. I'm not big on seasoning sauce. I like to add my own salt, but this is what we had that was clearance. So we got some ranch seasoning, spicy seasoning salt, and then this is a seasoning salt right here. And also doing it like this, it helps me. I see a lot of stuff that I gotta stock up on. Okay, I got these little sea salt things. These right here came from the Dollar Tree, if y'all remember me showing it on a vlog. This is chili and garlic sea salt. Got 2 of those, and then I got 1 regular thing of salt, so I know where I need to stock up at. Right here just got a thing of olives, and this is some mint jelly, and then some strawberry jam or whatnot. I'll be doing things different with that stuff that is not as processed, so that's why I haven't bought other stuff. You got to buy stuff that is going to be healthy for you, because in an emergency situation or any type of situation that you got to rely on this food, you don't want stuff that's going to make you sick. Okay, so right here is my season. I got garlic powder, paprika, I got ground cloves, I got ground ginger, ground mustard, ground cinnamon, and cinnamon sugar, black pepper, and a lot of this stuff I won't be buying, I'll be doing myself. I got chives, thyme leaves, oregano, parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, and minced garlic. Okay, right here is some peanut butter. We grabbed those, I think these came from the Dollar Tree right here. And then this is my PB Fit peanut butter. Y'all remember when I got this? One of those is in the working pantry in the kitchen. We are using it. And then these are some peanuts. Right here is different type of seasoning packs. We recently got these. Chicken parmesan. All these chicken parmesan. You got those chicken parmesan, spicy buffalo, mac and cheese seasoning, sea salt and brown sugar. And then I have some of these back here, like sweet potato yam glaze. Got a sweet corn, Mexican style sweet corn. All those different type of seasonings, and I just put it in these containers. And then this is some breading mix. Okay, so seasoning, I just put 2 things of the 2 things of sugar I had in there. And see, I already know what I gotta stock up on a lot of stuff, but like I say, had to purge through and get a lot of stuff that I had gotten out. All right, so let's go down here. So down here I have my pastas, rotini pasta, all the way to the back. I have some gluten-free spaghetti, because that digests with me. I can digest gluten-free stuff way better than I can stuff with gluten. So definitely stocking up on that type of stuff. Then it's a regular angel hair pasta back there. I hope y'all can see the lighting in here. Got some egg noodles back here. 3 things of this jasmine rice. And then I got 4 things of the 5-pound bags of rice back there. Got some beans, baby lima beans, some pinto beans. As you can see, we've been purging through this stuff. So we'll know what to stock, that works for us. Got some gluten-free powder, gluten-free flour. I got to get some more of that. Got some self-rising cornmeal. Definitely got to get more cornmeal, grits. And then right there I have some cream of rice. All right. So down here, these are our bug out bags. Okay, so I have bug out bags. I talk more about those in another video. I had got these sprayers that's actually for the garden, but I had got these over a year ago on clearance. Right here is our emergency food supply, and also in our bug out bags we have emergency food supply. This is just some whatnot stuff I use to keep stuff organized. Some cheesecloth, unused cheesecloth, and some clamps and whatnot. I just put it there. And then right here, so I have 2 containers of these emergency food supply kits. I have talked to y'all about those. Right here, this is not all of my medicines and stuff like that. I am redoing that stuff, so this is what I have in here. Just some Neosporin. Our first aid kits and stuff I have put somewhere else, but I have like bandages right here. A lot of these things we found on clearance. It has wipes, hand sanitizer, masks, and gloves. So I have a lot of those kits. Some more gloves and some more face masks, disposable face masks in there. But like I say, we have big first aid kits and stuff like that. I just have them in another closet that I have to go through on stuff. So it's more of that stuff. There are medicines and stuff. It's definitely going to be more stuff that we get, but we do have some if something were to happen right now. But yeah, and I won't keep that stuff in this room, okay? I'll keep that in another location. But right here, so that's what we have on this shelf. So I have to get a lot of stuff. Right here is some salmon, pink salmon. Royal Pink is the brand. Wild Alaskan salmon. Got some of these sardines and brine. Got some canned sardines, some tuna, Polar wild caught tuna. This came from the Dollar Tree. Y'all probably saw that. Got some of the ham we got from Dollar General. Got a lot of these canned chickens. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 cans of the canned chicken. This came from Dollar Tree. And then we have 10 cans of the chicken with gravy. And then over here we got 2 sets, which is 4 cans of the chicken breast. You can't go wrong with chicken. You can't go wrong with chicken, okay? Hence, you see. Then we got 5 things of Viennas. We got noodles right here. And these are just some hot cups that I have stocked until I can find a place for them. So that lets me know how much stuff. Like I say, I had way more stuff, but we purged through it. We ate it. We moved it to an area where it will be ate. Because we have to pay attention to if you have acid reflux, GERD, or whatever you call it. And those type of things, okay? So let me just show you right here. Vinegar, seasoning, jams, jellies, peanut butter, marinade, sugars. I like these little things. I keep them on hand. You get them from the Dollar Tree. Pasta, rice, beans, flour, meal, grits, hot cereals right there. And then right here is meats and noodles up here. Canned veggies down here. So you see I have a lot of canned veggies. And some of them I already have their expiration date. 12/20/24. So these are the ones that I will be pulling from, okay, pulling from and putting them in the working pantry part, okay? So I have all type of greens back there, turnip greens. I got all that spinach I got from the Dollar Tree. Y'all probably can't see. I'm gonna try to lighten it up because I'm seeing on the camera that it's like dark, but it's not dark in here. It's just how the camera is. So I got kale greens, I got canned potatoes, pinto beans, red beans, corn, green beans, sweet peas, all that. And this stuff goes back deep, okay? It goes back deep, all right? So that's what's on that shelf. And down here I have some oat milk, self-stable oat milk, some evaporated milk. And then I have juices and stuff. And then I have a big thing of vinegar down there. Okay. So that's what I have on this shelf. Whew, all this bending down and stuff. Make you out of breath. Alright. So Up here is the whatnot. This is not for stock. This is what we're using from now. These are things that we're using from now. Our plan is to eat all of this stuff up. Using from, so I got this shelf for now, as of right now. I'm pretty sure it's going to change. But I have this shelf only for me to purge from here. And like I say, we'll talk about more of that in another video. So once this is down, or even before, I'll still purge. Like I gotta purge some vegetables from here, like 1/20/24, and these are good, way past the expiration date. That's why I'm not worried about it. But I am gonna be getting new cans of this stuff, so it'll go here, and I'll be purging, you know. And this helps. You ain't gonna be eating out, because we gotta eat this stuff, okay? Gotta eat this stuff. So up here is a lot of things that is gonna be eaten now, okay? Pinto beans and lentils and all that syrup and all that type of stuff is for it to be eating now, okay? Just this shelf, all right? And the reason being is because in my kitchen I have a lot of appliances. I have a lot of things that I need to use and all that. So it's like, you know, shelf is going to be for the whatnot stuff, okay? Now down here on this shelf, this is prep. This is prepping stuff. So this is working pantry, okay? This is soups and fruits. So we got a lot of our that cranberry sauce we had got. We got some popsicles. These things that you put in the freezer. Y'all remember them, and they like divided. They like, you break them in half. So got some of those. Got a lot of cranberry sauce. We had got those for 10 cents recently. Pineapple spurs, a lot of fruit. And then these are soups right here. And you see, we had a lot of soup at one time the last time I did this video, but we went through it. We know what agrees with us, what gives us acid reflux, what is like a not good buy unless it's really, really cheap. And that is what we did, okay? So we still got some wonton soups, and I can't remember. I don't think none of them like those. I don't think none of them like this. So I'm gonna try to doctor it up and see if I can make it better eventually. And then down here we got cases of water and my water bath canner. Okay, I mean not cases of water, our waters for the dispenser. So yeah, that is what our emergency food stock looks like as of right now, and it's gonna be a lot different sooner. Alright y'all, so there's a couple things you didn't see. You didn't see cases of water. There's a reason for that. We went on and used that water up because I am trying to see where will be the better, what would be the best ones to use or whatnot. I may go back and still get the ones from Sam's Club, but trying out different ones to see which one is better, don't have that chemical taste. And right now I think it will be Sam's Club as of right now. But definitely my water is going to be in a different area anyway, and I'll show y'all that as I get it. So cases of water is not in here. And like I said, my medicines and things like that, they are getting redone. So redone and got to get more of, okay? But it would not be in this room. I'm just one of them. I'm not leaving medicines in no kids room, okay? My kids hadn't had no issues with that or nothing like that, but as a mother, I don't care. There's a lot of things on social media and stuff that can persuade kids and stuff. I won't leave no medicines in no room with no kids, okay? So medicines and stuff like that is held in another part of the house where I can get to it, okay? So this is the stockpile. And I'm gonna say this, I encourage y'all to do the same too. Like I say, my kids, they ain't know not to go mess with no medicine and stuff like that, but still, you gotta be safe. You got to be safe, because understand, they still kids, they young, they still kids, okay? So with that being said, that is everything that I have right here. I hope this encouraged and motivated somebody, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If this God's will, y'all be safe for cancer next time. Bye.